Oh, hello.
Just holding my luggage.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Yes, we're checking in. We've just arrived at Pullman Hotel. There's a nice gentleman that's just helped us. Thank you. Nice and warm. Just gonna go check in now. Yes.
Do you see that?
Yeah, I just saw that.
Wooden cards.
Yep.
Fancy automatic.
Okay, we just checked in, guys. Got our room card keys, and surprisingly, they're wooden. 719 is this way.
Look at this wooden card. Dope ass.
So as we enter the room, just to my left, there's two wardrobes. Looks like Sheena's made this her makeup area. Just in here is the safe. And the other side's over here where we've stored our jackets. And to my right is the bathroom. Looks pretty dope. Here's the shower. Pretty mean. Just got two shower heads. One on the roof and a standard one on the wall. That is a toilet. And we're going to open this one up. And here's our super massive king. Alright, so just in front of the window, I'll show you guys our view. That's the Tamachi railway station, which is really handy for this hotel. And in front of the window is our coffee machine, which is a Illy Cafe one. Got a jug over here, various coffees, classic, decaf, intenso, and we've got our complimentary Evian water, complimentary snacks, and a drink. I'm not too sure what this is. Our Illy coffee cups. And below here is the minibar fridge, stocked full of drinks. Got a drawer with glasses. Teacups and teas. And just to the right is a little lounge or a sofa over here. And we've also got our TV on the wall. Standard, it's pretty big, pretty big. What's that? What is that?
Face stuff.
Face stuff.
Yeah, like makeup remover.
Oh, that's perfect for you.
I know. Doesn't have money price on it.
Take it.
It's mine. The toilet flushes itself.
Yeah, it's a bidet.
No, it flushes itself.
Oh, you didn't have to push a button?
No, you get up and it flushes.
Fancy.
This is so great. Makeup remover?
Oh, yeah. Got button for what? Night light? Reading light? USB next to the bed, which is really handy, and I'm not too sure what that is. Oh, that's a power socket. Alright, so this is the end of my video. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for the latest updates. See ya!